Unfortunately, I know only too well how parents feel. It was this very spot 16 years ago that my 18-year-old son lost his life. He lived just to the left here, about half a mile down the road. He was travelling half a mile up the road to the hospital to visit his newborn baby when they drove through this junction and were hit by another car. His car ended up in the field just behind me here. And although the paramedics fought very bravely to save him, he lost his life 2 days later. And it materialised that he wasn't wearing a seatbelt. He made that decision and it cost him his life. Why he didn't wear a seatbelt, I don't know. It may have been I was so close to the hospital, I was only going up the road. It's only around the corner. But the fact is, his mate survived. The 2 people in the other car survived, and he didn't. That was a decision he made. You know, at 18, life was perfect for him. He had a job as an apprentice joiner. He was engaged to be married. He just had a new baby son, and he had everything going for him. He ended up that we placed the wedding ring in his finger in ICU, and we had a blessing done. And he was buried with his wedding ring fitted. I often think 16 years later, would he have been married? Would he have had more children? Would he have had his own workshop? Would he be living beside me here and we were seeing our grandkids every day? As it is, his 16-year-old son has grown up without a daddy. We have grown up without a son. And all because of that one mistake. He made that decision not to wear his seatbelt. Doesn't cost you. Cost him his life. Make sure it doesn't cost you yours.